So, good day ma'am. So, today I'm going to explain about the normal distribution and the empirical rule. So, first, what is normal distribution? The normal distribution is a bell-shaped curve commonly used in statistics to describe how data are spread out. So, many human behaviors and natural events tend to follow this pattern, including criminology-related data. So, let's move on to the properties and characteristics of a normal distribution. So, first is symmetry. The normal distribution is a perfectly symmetrical around its mean. So meaning perfectly symmetrical, so both sides kay parehara. So dili 50, dili 54. Next is the mean, median, and mode are equal. In a normal distribution, the mean, average, median, middle value, and the mode, most all lie at the center of the distribution. So meaning, ang mean, median, and mode kailangan din sa tumal. Next is bell-shaped curve. So the curve of the normal distribution has a distinctive bell shape. So may bell-shape siya. So next is the empirical rule in application to criminology-related problems. So here we have our problem. If the marksmanship exam scores of police training follow a normal distribution with a mean of 60 and a standard deviation of 10. So, kini 68, 25, and 97. So, 68 divide 2, kung 34 siya. 85 minus 68 plus divide 2, kung 30.5. So, sunod na rin 2.35 o 0.15. So, dili 60 na to mean. Kung padulong ka dili sa 2, mag-add lang ka. So, 60 plus 10, 70. 80 and 90. So dili po minus pag 10, 60, 50, 40, and 30. So, a question. What percentage of trainees are expected to score above 80 based on the empirical rule? So, above 80, no? Dili 2.35 35 plus 0.15. So, 2.5. Answer, 2.5%. So, question 2. What percentage of trainees are expected to score between 50 and 80? So, 50 and 80. 34 plus 34 plus 13.5. So 81.5. 1.5. Question 3. What percentage of trainees are expected to score below 60? So below 60. 34 plus 13.5 plus 2.35 plus 0.15. So kabalo naman tanong, ang kanila na 100, ang half na 50, ang half 50. So pinakasain na nila mga niya, mag-minus na sa 50. So ang score niya ay 50%. Ano naman?